Moving on, the grid and nudge display. 99% of the time, what you're going to use this for is turning on and off your grid. So if grid, the word, is illuminated, you have grid lines. If it's not, you don't. It doesn't mean that you don't still have grid values and the behavior of grid mode. You still do. I usually keep it on. Over to the right of it, you have grid values. So depending what you're displaying, if you're making music, your grid values are in bars and beats. So you can change it, meaning I can now move in eighth notes, or I can move simply only by bars. Okay. I typically leave it in sixteenths, sometimes smaller depending what I'm doing. Over to the right of this is just displaying what a 16th note is in ticks. So ticks, don't ask me the math. Is it 720? No, 800. I don't even know. There's many, many ticks per measure. So if I change to measures, you see the one measure. If I change to half notes, you have 2 beats. Quarter notes, 1 beat. Eighth notes, 480 ticks. So 960 ticks per measure. Nudge is a different way of moving your clip. So instead of grabbing and moving, if you are nudging, you can use, I think it's the plus and minus signs on the numeric keypad, or the period and comma to move a clip. So right now, my nudge value is 16th notes, even though my grid is showing me eighths, my nudging is moving in sixteenths. So let's say I have it set to bars and I hit period. It has just overtaken this one. So now when I hit comma, I don't have a track there or any audio because I didn't leave that thingamajig highlighted. So let's say I nudge and then I come back. It doesn't work. Interesting. Okay. Either way, nudging can be helpful. For example, if you are in samples, which is how audio is handled in Pro Tools, and let's say I set it to a very small value and we did an edit in a live track and the vocal came in just a little bit early, literally just a little bit early. I can come in, zoom in, and hit my period, and you can see that I am moving that now by 100 samples per click on the keyboard. So that is pretty cool. Yeah, there you have that.